Hi, I'm Chris Morris with BedRug. We're here at the 2018 SEMA show. I've got a new product here for the Jeep JL I think you guys would love. This is our bed tread Jeep liner. You don't have to remove the seats. It's very easy to install. It is our TPO material. It's very durable. You can go wheeling in this, spray it out with your power washer. It will not mold or mildew since it is a non-organic material. Very awesome if you're out wheeling. Instead of your factory carpet, it gets trashed and wet and molds. This will not mold or mildew, like I said earlier. It fits perfectly, and you do not have to remove any of the interior to install this. All right, so in the back, we had our tread material, which is the TPO top piece. On the rest of the cab of the Jeep, we have our BedRug material. It's polypropylene, won't mold or mildew as well. Spray it out if you get muddy out on the trails, spray it out with the power washer, and you're good to go, no worries. This JL also has our HeadLiner kit, since this is a hard top. Is a unique, fit perfect material to the HeadLiner. Makes it look OE with the HeadLiner. It is made for the 2-door, 4-door Freedom panel. It helps with sound deadenation, insulation. In the summertime, those tops get super hot, and this will help it keep it nice and cool on the inside. And in the winter, when it's very cold, it kind of helps with that too. And sound deadenation, as your big wheels and tires are going down the highway, it kind of helps with the sound kind of dampening. Again, the kits for the Jeeps are made perfect for that vehicle. You do not have to remove any of the seats, the transmission tunnel, nothing. It just goes right around everything. Very quick and easy install. Lifetime warranty on it as well. If you have a problem, just give us a call at BedRug. We'll be happy to help you.